Kia ora, this is Naitik reporting from Kia Kids News. A group of primary school kids have made their own toothpaste.
Introducing Red Seals, Kind Kids, Sweet Sour Lightning, created by students at Waikowhai Primary School.
Tell us about your group.
We're the Sweet and Sour Lightning Girls.
What was it like working with your team?
It was fun, exciting, and they were my best friends.
How does it feel that you've made your own toothpaste?
Awesome.
You came to your school last year and what did you do?
Kindness Collective and Red Seal came to our school and we got to create toothpaste. It was just really fun and exciting when we first heard about it.
How did you guys come up with the flavour?
We decided on one thing each that we wanted in our toothpaste. There was kiwifruit, which was my idea, strawberry, which was Maya's idea, and vanilla, which was Nevaeh's idea.
Why did you call it Sweet and Sour Lightning?
Well, because the sweet for the strawberry and the sour for the kiwifruit and the lightning, because it sounded cool. We first wanted it to look pink and green swirly, but that didn't work. So we chose gold with sparkles.
Kia ora ngā tamariki mā. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm here to sing for you, but you have to sing along, okay?
When did Anika Moa come in?
She came in this year to tell us about why brushing our teeth is very important. She also taught us a song. It was called Brusha, Brusha, Brusha.
A brusha, 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 brusha. A brusha, brusha, brusha till they're clean.
This is the original Sweet and Sour Lightning.
How did you get from that to that?
This is one that we made from school. This got transferred to the giant Red Seal factory and turned into this.
Who wants to see your new toothpaste? Come and get one, come on. One each, not five. What do we say?
Who chose the art on the tube?
Red Seal, and it was actually my drawing.
How does it feel to have your art on the toothpaste tube?
It feels really exciting to have my art on like an actual product in the store. It's kind of crazy.
What's it like seeing your toothpaste in supermarkets?
I feel very, very excited and proud.
Have you bought any of your toothpaste?
Yep, we bought all the stock, which was 11 at Chemist Warehouse, and we have 23 at the moment. Every time someone buys it, $2 goes to the Kindness Collective.
Now it's time to taste test.
Sweet and Sour Lightning!
Why should kids brush their teeth twice a day?
So you can look after them and you don't want holes in your teeth.
Awesome work, Sweet and Sour Lightning Girls. And remember, kids, always brush your teeth twice a day. This has been Naitik reporting from Kia Kids News.
Thanks to New Zealand On Air.